Hi, now we are going to see about control statements in Java. Okay, so why this is called control statement? Okay, first we should know why this is called control statements. So if we have two block of codes, so block of code means the number of statements enclosed between this curly braces, that is called a block. Okay, so we have number of block of codes. So if a condition satisfied, we need to execute certain block. If the condition is not satisfied, then we have to execute another set of blocks. So in that time we can go for this control statements. Okay, so here we can use if else statements. So many are there. So first we can see about if else statement. So first one is simple if statement. So the condition is the syntax is if we have to specify the condition, then we have to give a block. So if the condition satisfies, then what are all the statements should get executed, that should be given inside this curly braces. Okay, so now what I am going to do is I am going to check whether a given number is even number or not. Okay, so I am giving a is equal to, I am assigning 10. Okay, as we know 10 is an even number. How we can check even number? So if we are dividing a number by 2, if we are getting the remainder 1, then that is called odd number. The remainder is 0, then that is called even number. Okay, so for checking the remainder, we can use modulo operator. So a modulo 2 is equals 0. Okay, then that number is an even number. Okay, so we can print sys out control space. So here I am giving a is an even number. Okay, let's check this. Yes, 10 is an even number. Okay, this means if the condition satisfied, so this statement is getting executed. Okay, now I am giving 11. 11 is an odd number. So let's check. See, the block is not getting executed because the condition fails. So this block is not getting executed. So whatever the condition we are giving with this if statement, if that meets the condition, then the block will get executed. So we have two blocks, okay, but one condition. If the condition succeed, then we have to execute one block. If that fails, we have to execute another block. Okay, then we can go for if else statement. Okay, so here else part we don't want to specify the condition. Once we have specified the condition in if, okay, the else part is called false part. So if the condition is not false, that means if the condition is not true, then this false part will get executed. Okay, so here we are printing if a modulo 2 is equal to 0, then obviously we know that is an even number. If the condition fails, then that is the odd number. Okay, so that we can print here. We want to check that whether that is a even number or odd number. Whatever the result, we have to print that. Then we can go for this if else statement. Okay, so a is equal to 11. This we know this is an odd number. So the else part should get executed. Let's check. Yeah, 11 is an odd number. So now the condition fails, so the false part means else part is getting executed. Okay, and next is else if statement is also there, so that we can check in next video. Thank you.